guys, welcome back to my channel. It is DeDe with DeDe at Home, and we are back with another vlog. Today, you guys, we are actually going to be going to my friend's apartment, and we're going to be doing a little bit of just girls' day. We're going to do some pool time. We're going to do some, you know, grilling out, just hanging out, having a good day. Today is Sunday, July 3rd, and so I'm going to bring you guys along with me for today and kind of show you guys what we're doing. So yeah, stay tuned. Girl, DeDe done bought her little stand. What you finna do?
Vlogging.
For real?
Uh-huh.
I love it.
Yes.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, you ain't know that.
No.
Yes.
DeDe, how was your experience with crossing?
It was good.
AKA.
I like these too. But they're not work, they're more like vacation. I do like these. Let me see if I can find my size. Really cute. Where I'm going though, I feel like this would be cute for work. That's cute.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am back. I just went to the mall to try and get some work clothes and some sneakers. Unfortunately, I was not able to get any sneakers. I actually found some that I really like, but they actually didn't have my size. I'm thinking about going online to see if I can order them, or just end up going to another mall to see if I can find them in my size. And then we went to H&M and I ended up getting some work clothes from there, but I didn't get as much as I really was going to get, so I'm probably gonna have to go look online or something like that, or go to another store. You guys let me know in the comment box, are you more of a go physically somewhere and buy clothes, or are you more of a let me just order something online? I'm not gonna never get out this parking this thing here. So I typically like to buy stuff online. I feel like just because whenever you go in person, yes, it's easy to try and find your size because you could try on stuff in store and then you don't have to worry about trying to return items. But I just find when you are looking for sizes that are either popular or sizes that they don't have in the store a lot. It's just a waste of time. You are running from mall to mall, from store to store, trying to find something, whereas when you're buying stuff online, you can literally just find what you want and then get it shipped to you. It's just the weight of having to wait and stuff get shipped to you. That's the only thing that I don't like, which I'm sure, you know, a lot of people don't like either. So it is what it is. It's pros and cons to everything, but I think that's pretty much all I'm gonna do today. I went to the mall earlier today. You guys saw that I did get my workout in today, so I was happy about that. I will be working out tomorrow as well. I do have a community service event that I'm gonna be going to tomorrow, so hopefully you guys will be able to see some of that. And then after that, I have a wine tasting that I'm gonna go to, so that should be pretty fun. I'm hungry. It's late. It's dinner time. I'm gonna go get something to eat, and I will catch you guys later.